Hello HR aspirant, are you preparing for UGC NET HRM 2023 or Code 55 or Labor Welfare? If you are in dilemma how to start preparing and where to get best study materials and test series, then you are at the right place. HRPreparation.com is your destination for preparation and cracking the exam. This video is all about UGC NET HRM 2023 online course details. Let's understand course structure and key features of the course. Course structure. This course consists of test series and study materials. We covered all units and topics as per latest syllabus. All 10 units are divided into topics for easy understanding and convenience. Each unit and labor laws are provided with topic-wise or act-wise test series and unit-wise previous year questions and act-wise previous year questions with detailed explanation along with study materials. Addition to above, we covered out-of-syllabus topics which are not covered in syllabus but are asked in exam. In real-time exam, we can find out-of-syllabus questions also, at least 5 to 10 questions, so we covered those topics also. 10 model mocks with detailed explanations as per exam pattern and last 6 previous year solved papers with detailed explanations. Before discussing about key features, if you want to know preparation strategy, check iCard at the top of the screen. Key features of the course. Most updated course as per latest syllabus. Unit-wise test series and study materials with topics. Huge MCQs bank with 4,100 plus MCQs with detailed explanations. 60 plus ebooks. 90 plus tests with detailed explanations. 37 plus topic-wise test series. 18 labor laws or act-wise test series. Unit-wise previous year questions with detailed explanations. Act-wise previous year questions with detailed explanations. Out-of-syllabus topic-wise test series. 10 model mock test with detailed explanations as per exam pattern. 6 previous year solved papers with detailed explanations. Retake option is the most useful option in test series. If you are attempting the test for the first time, then it shows take test. If you take the test, then from second time onwards, it shows retake option and result option. After the test, you can check your performance with analytics. This self-performance tracker will help you to understand your performance and you can understand where you are not performing well. You can know your rank among fellow students. You can see who got highest rank and your rank to improve. Here, you can see the real-time portal view in dashboard. All units are with topic-wise test series. Here is unit-wise previous year questions. You can see act-wise test series and here is act-wise previous year questions too. One more great feature is we covered out-of-syllabus test series, like few are theoretical topics and few are labor laws which are not covered in syllabus. What are you waiting for? Subscribe the course today and start preparing for your success. Check course link in the description.